the stock market has an incredible setup on the daily time frame with a ascending triangle formation. In this video, I want to go over the daily stock market analysis, go over Meta earnings. Meta up over 6.79%. We did have the Fed interest rate decision, which caused the market volatility at the end of the day, but now we are looking great. The market looks great, and the technical analysis looks to be playing into play since we don't have really any other catalyst to wait for any other earnings for rest of the week. I'll also be going over update on oil, as well as our shares play like IWM, and as well as talking about a little bit about RIVN with a ascending triangle setup. So subscribe with notifications on. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and we only have a couple more days until August 1st. So let's get started. So we did have a Meta earnings. Meta stock is up over 6.79%. So overall bullish day for the market. We did have the SPY at the end of the day being very volatile because of the Fed interest rate. So we did have that in play. But pretty much overall we are looking good. We traded sideways, and now we can take a look at the chart and take a look at the psychological analysis. So we're taking a look at SPY, and it just looks extremely bullish. Okay, the market looks extremely bullish, especially the way we closed. Look at this price action. We really have to zoom in a little bit. Look at these past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. Okay, look at this consolidation period. We are looking very nice. Look at these candles and these wicks. The 455 level is a major level, which is going to be a breakout area, and our price target is 459. Okay, our price target is 459. We're taking a look at a bigger picture. Okay, this is our price target, 459, and not until we hit this level, which is our price target right now, and then we're going to be entering in our next zone level. So 459 is our price target. We are looking extremely bullish. Psychological analysis, we don't have any news coming for rest of the week, so we are looking extremely bullish. So for tomorrow, the play is going to be calls right at market open, weekly calls, daily calls right at market open, to play the breakout right at market open and run up to 459 for the rest of the week. So this is the plan for SPY that we are taking a look at. We can take a look at QQQ. We have this critical level of support, but we do have this this consolidation period going on right here, but doesn't look as bullish as SPY. Okay, SPY just looks extremely bullish, and it just looks amazing. Next, we have oil stocks that we are in right now. So we have a month out calls on oils, and we're taking a look at the weekly time frame, and we have to close above the level of resistance for the weekly time frame for the continuation play. We do have a consolidation period for XLE, so same setup as QQQ and the SPY, where we are really just consolidating on the daily time frame, and I love this price action, especially for oil. So oil looks extremely bullish. If you have not entered in, we are still consolidating here, so this could be a nice play. SU is our another play that we had for oil, and the great thing about SU is, you know, it's a $30 stock, so you could play shares on top of it and make a nice return just off playing shares and not worrying about the data and all of that. Today we saw another test to the level of support, so pay attention to this price action and how we hit this level of support and how we bounced off. We have this consolidation period just like XLE and just like SPY. So SU is looking incredible with the rest of our oil stocks, and oil stocks are still in play. Okay, we are looking extremely bullish. For the weekly time frame, it looks extremely bullish. Make sure to watch the whole video on oil stocks. We went really in depth. Now I want to take a look at just a quick update on IWM. We're taking a look at IWM, which was our shares play. We made a whole video on it, alerted on Twitter, Discord, all of that, and same setup as SPY on the daily time frame. So this is going to be a nice continuation play for our shares. So all of our positions are looking good except for Snow. Snow is the only one that I'm worried about on the weekly time frame because we couldn't hold the level of resistance. So if we do come back down to the level of support, I can probably average down on shares for Snow. Autodesk is also looking good, but we still need to close above the level of resistance. So these were our laid back, chill play on shares. Now, I want to talk about RIVN. So RIVN is a $27 stock, small cap, with a nice ascending triangle formation. Now, I'm just taking a look at the setup, and we had this previous setup that I made a video on where we were consolidating and it broke out. So if you actually go to my YouTube, I did make a video on RIVN, which is a month ago now, which broke out of the $14 level. But we're taking a look at a bigger picture for RIVN, and we have another amazing ascending triangle on the daily time frame for RIVN. And I was actually watching this yesterday. I was going to tweet it, but I didn't tweet it. But overall, we're taking a look at RIVN for a continuation play. I myself am going to be skipping on this play. I skip on a lot of my plays, but I'm mostly just in, shares. Obviously, we have oil, but if you want to play this, this has a nice, incredible setup, and we definitely have more room to the upside, especially since we enter in the next level of zone for RIVN, which is right around $36 and $27. So this is going to be our next zone for RIVN, but RIVN is looking extremely bullish on the daily time frame, and this is going to be a continuation play. Also watch the RSI. So overall, that is really it. Subscribe with notifications on, and see you guys tomorrow. We are in, some pretty good plays, shares, options, all of that. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow. Take care.